Okay, we got the holes are drilled for the eyes, and they're taken out in the back, if you can see it. Made it go down about a good inch, inch and a quarter. So then we set the eyeball in here. See how it fits. So that's going to fit okay. So that's fitting all right. So that's what we wanted. Same on the other side. Fits pretty good. You don't want the hole to be too big to fall through. So if you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. I'd appreciate it. If you got any questions or comments, put in my comment section. I'll get back with you. Thanks for watching.